In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or show a specific block on mobile inside a page editor in Chrome. To begin, open the exact page section where your content lives, then enter the editor by clicking Edit. Make sure you are in the correct workspace so you can clearly see the layout, rows, and content blocks you want to manage. Taking a second here to confirm you're in the right area will help you avoid changing the wrong section by mistake. Next, click the layout grid block or content element you want to control for mobile visibility. This could be something large and visual like an image block, or something repeated like a duplicate text panel that you only want visible on desktop. The key is to select the exact item you want to target before changing any display settings. Once that block is selected, look toward the top right corner of the block controls. You should see the device or screen selector in the floating control bar above the selected item. This is where the editor lets you switch between different device views, so you can preview and adjust how content behaves on various screen sizes. Click the mobile view icon to switch the workspace into a mobile-focused canvas view. This helps you confirm that you're editing for the correct device layout and gives you a more accurate sense of how the page will appear on a phone. It's a good habit to stay in the matching device view while making visibility changes so you can immediately verify the result. With your target block selected, open its visibility or display settings by clicking the custom visibility icon or related layout settings control. From there, check or uncheck the option that controls whether the block is shown on mobile. Turning that setting off will hide the block on mobile, while turning it on will make it visible again. This is the simplest way to manage device-specific content without affecting the rest of the page. If you need an alternative method, open the custom CSS panel and add a mobile media query that hides a specific block class on screens under 767 pixels wide. This approach is useful when you want more direct control through code, especially for precise responsive behavior. After making your changes, click Save. Before leaving the editor, it's a smart idea to preview the page in mobile view one more time to confirm everything looks the way you expect. That's it. You've successfully adjusted a block's visibility for mobile.